Welcome to Barcelona. This city has everything. The biggest football stadium in Europe, arguably the best architecture in the world, world-class gastronomy with over 20 Michelin-starred restaurants, and as the biggest city in the Mediterranean Sea with 2.8 miles of coastline, National Geographic rated Barcelona as the best beach city in the world. Pump the brakes. As an Australian, I would argue that. Hello YouTube and welcome to Barcelona. Today I am flying with Guell from Lisbon to Barcelona and it's a quick trip, only 1 hour and 55 minutes. I paid 172 euros for this flight and I am landing in Barcelona at 12 o'clock midday. I'm taking a taxi from the airport to my hotel since there's no Uber in Barcelona. It's a 15-minute trip and it's costing me 35 euros. For hotel, I am staying here at the HCC Regente at Rambla, Catalonia for one night, which I paid 138 euros. The bathroom had a big tub, the room was big and comfortable, and there was a balcony with a great city view. The location couldn't have been better as it was literally steps to the metro and train stations, and also lots of shops, cafes, and restaurants all around. Barcelona is the most visited city in Spain and the fourth most visited city in Europe, after London, Paris, and Istanbul. With over 8 million international visitors per year, the Catalan capital is also the 12th most visited city in the world. And as a tourist, I had to take the famous red bus. A great way to explore the tourist attractions is by the hop-on, hop-off double-decker bus. Here, you can buy a one-day pass for 30 euros or a two-day pass for 40 euros. Here, we are approaching one of the biggest touristic attractions called Camp Nou. Camp Nou is the largest football stadium in Europe and the most visited attraction in Barcelona, covering a surface area of 55,000 square meters or 592,000 square feet. Camp Nou is the home of Barcelona Football Club, and it has a capacity of almost 100,000 people, making it the second biggest football stadium in the world. Barcelona's most central area and a favorite meeting place for locals and visitors is Plaça Catalunya, or Catalonia Square in English. This place is the link where all the roads start in Barcelona. From here, one can practically go anywhere by taxi, bus, metro, or public bus routes. Here you can find large shopping centers and department stores, and is constantly crowded with people because the square also regularly hosts a variety of public events such as festivals, concerts, exhibitions, and competitions. In terms of transportation, Barcelona is a major transport hub, with the Port of Barcelona being one of Europe's principal seaports and the busiest European passenger port. There is also an amazing food market at La Rambla called Mercat de la Boqueria. This super popular food market sells some of the freshest fruit, vegetables, and seafood in Barcelona.
So the round trip was 14 euros and 20 cents, and it would take me 20 minutes to go all the way. If I stay inside the cabin, I'm gonna go and come back. It would take about 20 minutes. So let's do a round trip here and the cable car park Montjuïc.
The cableway telepheric here offers a unique panorama. Look over the entire city in a bird's eye view as you're driving up to the castle of Montjuïc. So I'm here inside the cable car in Barcelona, Spain, and this view is absolutely fantastic. Incredible view of the whole city of Barcelona.
You can see there La Sagrada Familia here, the church. Such a beautiful view of the city. One more on the bucket list,
Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984 and one of Gaudí's most famous works in Barcelona, La Sagrada Familia is a giant basilica that has been under construction since 1882. Antoni Gaudí is actually buried there. His tomb is located in the underground level of the building and visitors can see it. It is estimated that the construction completion will be in 2026. Barcelona has 68 parks. More than 10% of the city is covered by urban parks, and the surface grows every year. Designed by famous architect Antoni Gaudí and one of the most impressive public parks in the world, Park Güell was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, recognizing its amazing and cultural value as a symbol of modern architecture. Being one of the biggest exponents of Gaudí's modernism, this playful urban park features peaceful greens, winding paths, and many sculptures and mosaics that is really a playground for the mind.
So I've been walking around here, Park Güell in Barcelona, just visiting all this amazing architecture designed by Antoni Gaudí. Incredible. I was just there at the 4D Gaudí experience. It was so nice to see the history behind all his designs. This is such a beautiful place, and I highly recommend, if you're ever visiting Barcelona, to come to this place. The park is incredible. It's nice to walk around, and today I got lucky with the weather. Is a bit cloudy, overcast, so it's not as hot as yesterday, and there is a very nice breeze going through. Otherwise it would have been like 30 degrees Celsius, which is really hot. It's like high 80s, and it's been really humid here as well. So today I'm very glad it's overcast, and yes, just being walking around, having fun in Barcelona. And this is like the cherry on top, visiting the park. Well, all this design, this architecture, this mosaic by Gaudí is absolutely incredible. So highly recommend it. I hope you're enjoying the video, and thanks for watching. I see you on the next trip. Bye.